Hello, welcome to Bish's RV. We are here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, and my name is Ashley. Today we're just doing a quick tour of this new arrival to us. This is a 2019 Newmar Baystar Sport. This is the 2813 floor plan. It's one I've always loved because it has a great living room up front. You can see full body paint. Gorgeous colors, not very well used at all. This one only has 21,000 miles on it. We're gonna go ahead and take a quick look inside. So this one has some nice options. Up front, you'll see we do have our extendable table as well as our pop-up TV here. This sofa will turn into a bed as well as this booth, giving you 3 total beds in this layout. And when the front chairs spin around, you can see you have a nice area for greeting guests. This one's still going to have your propane oven in addition to a full-size microwave and a refrigerator that can run on propane or electricity. As we go further back, you'll see nice extra counter space, extra pantry space. And back here in the bathroom, you'll see we have the emergency escape door on this model. This is a Newmar exclusive option that is behind the toilet whenever it does appear, so it doesn't take up valuable space. Great in case of emergencies. You don't have to fall out the window. It has nice little steps there for you. And this one is a full-size residential 60-inch by 80-inch queen-size bed. Little cubby holes on the side there. You can stash things in. And this nice and light and easy will fold up, so when your slide comes in, it'll come to the same amount of space here. You can always access the bathroom with this amount of space. So this allows you to have such a short model. This one tip to tip is only 28 feet 11 inches long, but you still get a full-size bedroom as well as 2 seating areas with your sofa and your booth here. And of course your front chairs that'll spin around. This one also comes with navigation and a bunch of other goodies. So as you can see, this one has some really unique colors, some unique options with that drop-down bed. If this is something that you would like more information on or would like to talk to me about any of our other models, please don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to hear from you. My name again is Ashley and my direct cell number is 541-337-2387. And you can reach me anytime. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.